a marketing Kanban and how it could look like if you create it in Notion. So what are the benefits of having a marketing Kanban? The huge benefit is that you have a very simple and easy to use system to create your content. For example, we see this Kanban right here, and whenever you have an idea, just write it in the backlog. For example, you want to write an article about prioritization or how to build a funnel. If you open this ticket, you can see that it comes with different types of text you can give to it. For example, you can give it a priority, 1, 2, 3. You can add a focus, in my case it's marketing, and also you can link a product. So for example, if this piece of content is about a specific product or you want to add an affiliate link or whatsoever, just add it here. Furthermore, you can create your own to-do list. For example, if I finished a blog post, I published on Notion, Medium, whatsoever. I think you get the idea. So at the moment, this idea piece of content is in the backlog. Whenever I start working on it, I push it into the blog post section. For example, you can see here all of those ideas I'm writing blog posts about at the moment. Then I'm pushing it into the Medium blog post, then to Indie Hackers. Then I create a tweet, I post on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. The simple idea is to have like a real structured system, and whenever you open this board, you see where you can work on. For example, if you want to work on Instagram this day, you can see all of those pieces of content. They need an Instagram post, so you can open it, and if it opens, you see it's in the Kanban status Instagram right now, and the product is Content Creator Hub. You already created a Medium blog post, you post on Twitter and Pinterest, and you even have here the blog post. And now you can start creating an Instagram post, then TikTok and whatsoever. In the end, you then have it in done, which is pretty neat because you can see all the stuff you finished, and which feels really good. And I also have a column for cleaned. This is the main reason for this is that sometimes some pieces of content just lay around in the marketing Kanban for kind of forever, and hence always at the beginning of the month I just look at them and decide, all right, if there's no chance I'm going to create an Instagram post, for example, I'm just push it into cleaned, so they won't block the marketing Kanban, and I know everything which is in here really needs some work to be done with. So yeah, I think you get the idea. It's a pretty simple way to organize your marketing ideas, and as mentioned before, the main benefit is that you always have a quick view, simple view of which projects, which ideas you're working on really need work at the moment. So you see, all right, they need a blog post. This one needs an indie hacker blog post. Here you need a tweet. So whatsoever. It really helps you to, get an overview. Thank you so much.